Racing just is started with flawless diamond break quickly to start. Cream Brulee in the middle portion. Belos and on the outside Sikat, then followed now by Ian Cibitix. And going along for the first turn with Cream Brulee, Sikat alongside Ian Cibitix. Down on the inside now is Flawless Diamond. Belos comes next, then followed now by Polish Princess. The next online is Sama-Sama. Moving upon the outside is Moonpie. Running by the rail is Divine Dancer. Lirpa's Choice second last, while Body Beautiful is racing in 11th. Back to the leader, we have Cream Brulee enjoying a length anyhow play. Then in second, Sikat. Flawless Diamond is still in third. Sama-Sama comes next. Alongside comes Polish Princess. Divine Dancer comes next. Last 400 meters of the race, we have Cream Brulee is still in control, leads by our length. Sikat moving upon the outside, now is Flawless Diamond as they swing for home. Cream Brulee is still in control, leads by about 2 lengths. Flawless Diamond moving upon the outside. Last 75 meters, we have Cream Brulee over Flawless Diamond, and finally Cream Brulee. Flawless Diamond, Sikat, then comes Divine Dancer. Sama-Sama.
Okay, Bayang Karerista, for our race number 5, we have an upset with entry number 4, that is Cream Brulee, skippered by RG Fernandez. At masa segundo dyan, Flawless Diamond, numero 7, Sikat, darating tercero, pang inyong quartet numero 2 na si Divine Dancer, at yung pang 5 na